Google Maps. Welcome to Google Maps. Maps.google.com. This year we will be using Google Maps in our classroom and at home to learn about the world around us. Google Maps is free and internet-based, so you do need a connection. Now, when I'm talking about connections, I mean an internet connection, broadband, DSL, dial-up. These are good things. I am not talking about love connections. This is not eHarmony. This is Google Maps. Sorry. To access the website, which once again is maps.google.com. So let's take a look at the screen here. You're going to see a lot of water. You're going to see a lot of land. However, this map itself could be extremely misleading, as we notice there are two United States. This is false. There is only one United States, and you are living in it. In fact, you are living here, not there, here in Michigan. In fact, we're going to zoom in to get closer. Notice some of the major cities along the way. We have Chicago, Detroit. You've hopefully heard of both. Our capital city, Lansing. It's one of my favorite places, especially if you go just a little east of there to the land of Sparta, not in Greece, but the land of the Spartans in East Lansing. Now, Adrian, you know there's a mall there, just like in Ann Arbor, just like in Jackson. Oh, look at us. We're moving along to Tecumseh, where I live, behind Little Caesars. Do not toilet paper my home. I appreciate that. Now we're getting even closer and closer and closer as we start to find our little home of Clinton. Google Maps is a great tool to be able to look and locate different spots all across the earth. As you can see, we have our soccer field, a place that I love, and finally getting closer to a misnamed Clinton Elementary School. This is actually the middle, and here, right here, is where you are inside this room. Surprisingly enough, you cannot see us. So, now what? Very good question. What we're going to start doing is showing you what Google Maps can do. It's not just so you can find your classroom here in Michigan. First thing first, head over to Map and click on it. You're going to see that you're able to toggle, which means switch between map and satellite view. This is like switching between a political map and a physical map. A political map and a physical map. One more time, a political map and a physical map. So physical map, political map, what's the big difference? Well, if we're looking at physical maps, or what we'll call physical map, our satellite view here, what we're really starting to see is the terrain. You can see the mountains, you can see the deserts, you can see the difference in elevation that's here. Also lakes, rivers, oceans are so blue, and they really stand out because the focus is here. The focus here is the land, not the countries themselves. We can still see the countries, we can still see cities as we zoom in, but the focus is the land, not the countries. So the political map is a little different, a lot different than the physical map. Do not expect Democrats and Republicans to start jumping out at you. It's not a place to locate them. What a political